Valentine's Day is fast approaching. Whether you want to spoil your loved ones or even treat yourself well or save for the future purpose, I will show you how you can actually make at least $1,000 before the 14th of February. This method is practical, beginners friendly, requires little or no cost to get started, and you don't need any experience. Alright, so let's get into the video. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Favor. Here, I share practical tips on how you can make money online and offline. Today, I will share proven strategies you can use to make at least $1,000 or more before Valentine's Day. If you are ready to start hustling and earning, stick around to the end of this video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications so that you don't miss my future. So step one is freelancing. Let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Well-Found, and the rest of them, okay, that I will actually maybe list out in this video so that you can also check them out. These platforms have made it easy for you to offer your skills online. Okay, do you have any skill that you know that you can offer? Are you good at video editing, graphic design, typing jobs, and rest of them? You are good at that. You can go to all these platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, and offer these your skills online and get paid. People are getting paid for simple tasks like even typing, background removal. Okay, so if you can do this, you can actually remove background with Canva, with CapCut, and the rest of them. Just go to these platforms and offer your skills there and get paid. You can charge as low as $5, $10, $100, depending on the skill you are offering. All right, so get what are you good at. First of all, discover what you are good at. Are you good at graphic designs? Are you good at typing? Are you good at writing? Are you good at what are you good at? Okay, then the next thing is to find the platform you are going to offer, the freelancing platform you are going to offer that skill at. Okay, let's say you want to offer it at Upwork or Fiverr, then go to Upwork and offer those skills there and then start making money for yourself from these freelancing platforms. All right, so it is easy, it is free to start, and you can start it from anywhere, from the comfort of your home, with your phone, with your laptop. All you just need is your internet connection and the zeal to work. All right, so let's get to step two, is mini importation. Mini importation is a lucrative business in so many parts of the world now. For example, in Nigeria, mini importation is a very lucrative business, and I know so many people that are doing mini importation and are making money from it. So our target now is importing Valentine themed products. Okay, you invite things that you know that people love during this period. Okay, that people want to give their loved ones and all that. Okay, so you can go to platform like Alibaba to check those things out. Okay, import those products. For example, perfume, couple bracelets, cards, and the rest of them. Okay, so when you import those things, you can come over and sell it with 10,000, 20,000. You can do mini importation from this website Alibaba, and I can tag some platforms where you can actually get those products from. So when you buy them, come over and, like, for example, if you get a product of 1.5, you can sell that product 5,000 or 10,000. If you get a product of 10,000, you can go and sell that product for 50,000 and the rest. Okay, you can also import Valentine boxes. This is Valentine period, and people would like to give boxes to their loved ones. Okay, so when you do those things, you can sell them. For example, you can get like 20 pieces, 50 pieces, 100 pieces, depending on the amount you want to make. Get those things and sell them off and make your profit from mini importation. This is another way you can actually maximize this Valentine period and make money for yourself. With 10,000, 20,000, you can actually do this. And step three is selling digital products. So if you're a creative person, selling digital products is one of the quick ways to make money online, to make money this season. So think about creating a Valentine ebook, a love template, budget plan, and all of that. And you can actually do this with a free tool, Canva. So you can actually go to Canva, create these ebooks, cards, and the rest of them, and sell them in Amazon, Seller, and the rest of the places you can sell your ebooks, okay, especially Amazon and Seller. You can sell them off there and make cool money for yourself. All right, and you know this season people love buying those things. Think about it. Okay, maybe you do an ebook. For example, you can theme the ebook 100 Valentine gift ideas. You know, things like that can sell. 100 Valentine gift ideas. If you promote your books in Amazon, it will sell. You can go to Amazon right now and type in Valentine ebooks, and you see so many ebooks that will pop up for you, and people are making purchases of that. Okay, so you can go to seller, type it in, and you see so many that will pop up, and people are making purchases of that. Okay, so you can also create an ebook for yourself. It's very easy and very simple. If you don't know how to create an ebook, in this YouTube, you can see tutorials of so many ways you can actually use Canva to create an ebook for yourself. Very simple. You can also use ChatGPT, will give you so many ideas of an ebook to create, of topics and everything you can do on that your ebook, and use Canva to do everything. There are so many trainings and teachings on this YouTube that can actually teach you very simple. Within 5 minutes, 30 minutes, you have created an ebook that can pay you for the lifetime, okay, as long as it is relevant. Okay, so you can create these ebooks and sell it for 10,000, 20,000, 15,000, depending, and people will buy it, and you make money for yourself. And this money continues coming every Valentine's Day. Once it is on that platform, people will keep buying the ebooks. Okay, so selling digital products is one of the key things. Step 4 is drop shipping. This is another way to actually make money selling products online without having inventory. Platforms like Shopify has made it easy for you to actually have an online shop. For coming to Valentine's Day, you can actually focus on products with product like roses, Valentine cards, and the rest of them. Valentine themed products. You can actually focus on them and then go to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and every other platform, social media platform, to advertise these products. Okay, advertise them there, and people can actually go to your online space, go to your shop online and get and buy those products. Okay, so this is another way you can actually make money this season. Okay, drop shipping. You can also check it out on how you can actually do this dropshipping. It is the easiest way to make money online without even having an offline shop, having a stock and all that. You start dropshipping. So many people have made millions using dropshipping. Okay, so another way for you to make money. Check it out and start using it right now to make that money for yourself. Not just for Valentine's Day. You can also work on other days that are not Valentine's Day. The last but not the least is social media hustling. Okay, this season people are online looking out for stuffs, okay, looking out for what they can buy for their loved ones, the kind of gifts they can give and all that. Okay, so make use of it right now. If you're a business person, you can actually make use of it. Even if you're not a business person, create posts, create reels and all that, tag them Valentine with Valentine topics and all that. You can also use hashtag like Valentine gifts, best Valentine gift to get, season of love 2025, all those particular things that will actually get people attracted to your page. Okay, create those videos, and then if you're a business person, do Valentine sales, Valentine discounts, and the rest of them, and you see people troop into your page to actually patronize you, because this is the season of love and people want to give to their loved ones. All right, so and you can make more sales with that. Do Valentine sales, do Valentine giveaways, do Valentine boxes and all that. Post them on your social media platforms, post them on your TikTok, post them on your Instagram, post them on your Facebook, and people will come and want to patronize you, because people love discounts, people love what they can see. Do plenty videos and push them out on the online space where people can see what you are doing and what you are saying and what you are selling. Use relevant hashtags. Okay, make sure you use relevant hashtags that can actually draw people to your page and then make more sales this particular season. Okay, I want to hear that testimony of your sales this season. Now that you have seen these proven strategies, it is time for you to get up and start working immediately. Once you start working, you're on your way to making at least $1,000 before the 14th of February this year. So I will want to know in the comment section, which of these methods are you going to try out? Or do you have any other idea you would want to share with me? Share it on the comment section so that we can also read them and see if we can also do that with you. All right, so make sure you leave a comment for me. Which of these will you be practicing? Okay, leave a comment for me. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, comment, and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss